Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, مثل الذين ينفقون أموالهم في سبيل الله. The likeness of the one who gives for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's sake, كمثل حبة, is like an attribute of corn or grain. أنبتت سبع سنابل, which grows 7 ears. في كل سنبلة مئة حبة, in each ear there is 100 grains. والله يضاعف لمن يشاء. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala multiplies for whom He wills. والله واسع عليم. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the all-embracer and the all-knowing. Our brothers and sisters are suffering in Somalia. About 2.8 million people are in internal displacement camps all over Somalia. This Ramadan, they need our help. Harrow just launched a campaign to give these needy people iftar, to break their fast. Insha'Allah, the way you guys can help us is by donating and also sending this campaign to your friends and families. Jazakumullahu khairan.